Hello everyone and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Katie with John Henry's and today I'm here to talk to you about our flank steak. If you're familiar with our farm, you know that our meats are leaner than most because our cows enjoy a happy and active life out on our farm. They spend their days outside in the sunshine, eating the lush pasture. The way the cattle are raised presents itself in the flavor and the quality of the meat, which is something our loyal customers enjoy. Flank steak is a cut from the flank of the beef, near the rear quarter, which is a very thin, very lean section of muscle. It's known for its flavor and not its tenderness, and can be a moderately priced steak due to the limited supply because there are only 2 flank steaks per beef. Our butcher trims the flank steak and then scores it for you, so it's ready for your favorite marinade or seasoning blend. We do offer a tenderized option where we run it through the tenderizer, which punches small holes into the meat and helps it to lay flat to be stuffed and rolled into pinwheels easily. Flank steaks typically weigh between 1.5 and 2.5 pounds each, so a whole one can typically feed 3 to 4 people. Flank steak is best either marinated or slow cooked so that the tightly woven muscle fibers can break down and tenderize the meat from within. Grill or roast the flank steak and slice it against the grain for serving. I hope that you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for supporting our farm. We're so glad that you found our channel. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. And if you want to see more awesome recipes, click the video below.